Welcome in Crypto Vault channel. The current video about Chiliz. Today, the internet is a definitive lord. World north of, a mammoth trade of information unfolds on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. Nonetheless, on the off chance that the information source isn't veritable or the information isn't put away suitably, the whole world could come to a calamity. Similarly, the amusement areas, particularly esports and gaming, have gone through a change in perspective. Because of the appearance of blockchain that a huge number understood the inborn capability of calculations and cryptography and how this could be outfit to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony. Consolidating the standards of decentralized finance and blockchain, Chiliz novel stage gives clients the honor of a wide range of science and innovation benefits, mining them on a numerical calculation, particularly for the esports and gaming areas. Before we dive into the Chiliz cost forecast, let us view a portion of the exceptional elements of Chiliz. Showing up on the biggest blockchain scene, Chiliz was formally sent off in 2019, despite the fact that the seeds of thought for a socially empowered stage were planted in 2016, currently in the name and style of socios.com. Any games or esports on the planet can adapt the fan interest. Chiliz is a trailblazer in enacting and adapting a crowd of people through extremist fan commitment with most loved groups, the executives. It is a swarm control motor, fit for giving fans casting a ballot rights for any widespread games. Esports fans can decide in favor of their number one groups in the esports world. The blockchain-based collaborations through the Chiliz token have worked with gaming fans overall to project their help for their number one games groups by buying fan tokens by means of digital money trade. It advances ordinary fan commitment encounters by enabling them to become forces to be reckoned with of any serious element. Chiliz. The fan club. Another fan-following component arising on this scene of the Chiliz network is the local token CHZ, which empowers fans to trade Chiliz tokenized casting a ballot rights utilizing fan tokens. The token likewise give admittance to encoded record of casting a ballot rights proprietorship. Fan Token Contribution, FTO, offers limited fan tokens. Avid supporters can uphold clubs like AC Milan, FC Barcelona, Paris Saint-Germain, Atletico Madrid through fan token, which are accessible on fan commitment stage. Juventus Football Club was quick to send off a group token through the socios.com site. The site involves CHZ tokens as a selective on-stage money. Chiliz. The architects of the empire. Alexander Dreyfus holds the cudgel of being the torchbearer of the groundwork of the Chiliz organization and planting the seeds way back in 2016 for Socios stage. Having led outstanding situations in different combinations, he likewise has surprisingly as the organizer individual from WebCity, a city local area expert stage across Europe. His name is famous among the poker local area, particularly the very first French on the web. Emma Diskin has loaned her insight to the organization of Chiliz in the limit of chief operating officer starting around 2018, and plays had a significant impact in corporate correspondences. She holds tremendous involvement with the media business, thus the amusement organization of Chiliz is massively helped by her experiences. One more critical job player in the CHZ coin network has been Max Rabinovich, who has loaned. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. Just in no less than 30 minutes of send-off, it had surfaced on the trade with fresh insight about achieving the degree of $0.0150, contrasted with its adversaries like Bitcoin. In January 2020, it saw the most elevated heightening in cost to $0.009 for a solitary Chiliz. In any case, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the place of $0.004 because of pandemic effect. The Chiliz, CHZ, cost spike that happened last year is related to the declaration made by the Chiliz task to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During the November 2020, Chiliz cost arrived at a lower $0.010, and till January 2021, it just showed a peripheral recuperation. Be that as it may, the presentation of Chiliz in the year starting 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of $0.0340 by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ United States dollar on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of March, the cost of Chiliz reflected huge development and it denoted another unequaled high at the 89 cents mark. Notwithstanding, from that point onward, the token confronted slight adjustment, however later, it held 40 cents cost level. CHZ will be the pick and decision of gaming financial backers in the business sectors, particularly on the grounds that it has endured for an extremely long period. Additionally, financial backers have found a component of dependability inserted in this cash. Pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and cryptographic forms of money. Conquering all obstacles, the Chiliz cryptographic money is set to hold a benchmark for its presentation later on, drawing in a significant games financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in view of the most recent fresh insight about computerized coins. The worth of opposition level R1, R2, and R3 are $0.199, $0.2027, and $0.2092 individually. At the hour of compassing this specialized investigation and Chiliz figure, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is $0.2, with an exchanging volume of CHZ is $187,924,845, and the market cap of Chiliz is $1,079,375,366, with a circling supply of $5,344,064,580 CHZ. The ongoing all-time high is 87 cents. CHZ price prediction recommends that CHZ could give a decent return by acquiring a sought-after position among the computerized coins, presumably in the following 5 years. All the more critically, despite the fact that the new presentation of Chiliz, CHZ, cost gauge by CHZ cost expectation, has not soared on the trade ascending to brilliance, one noticeable reality that arises here is that the cost of Chiliz, CHZ, is staying put, increment, fill in the market in full blossom, according to underneath Chiliz cost forecasts. Chiliz price prediction 2022. CHZ gauge predicts the Chiliz value equivalent to 28 cents will stay over time. Chiliz digital currency can exchange with a base cost as low as $0.2. Chiliz cost forecast 2022 by specialists assess Chiliz, CHZ, cost to exchange around 26 cents in Q2, 28 cents in Q3, and 29 cents in Q4. The street ahead is brimming with pedals according to CHZ cost gauge, gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all hindrances scaling point of the most extreme cost of 30 cents. Taking into account there are no abrupt shocks or a stony way forward for the digital money market, Chiliz cost forecast 2022 expects the CHZ cost is good to go to assert areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. CHZ coin price prediction uncovers Chiliz, CHZ, will presumably be conveyed by the NFT publicity for some time, in any event. Momentary counter developments or even redresses in the coin are by anticipated. Chiliz could draw in significantly more consideration before very long. The Chiliz, CHZ cost will absolutely not be unaffected for impending days. Is Chiliz a wise venture? Indeed, Chiliz can be a productive venture choice. With a very much thought guide and vision, Chiliz is set to have an extreme effect on the whole digital money world. Chiliz, CHZ will break all hindrances staying a most loved token on the crypto trades. Financial backers are enthusiastically prescribed to address any outstanding concerns prior to pursuing any choices to trade the cash like Bitcoin, BTC, or XRP or Ethereum, ETH, or Chiliz, CHZ, to have a drawn-out benefit. At this point, the Chiliz cost rises to the degree